Take a ride in the 2017 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, air conditioning, alloy wheels, one owner. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.